thunderstorm warning for northern Polk County in central Iowa, southern Story County in central Iowa, northwestern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allemon, or 6 miles northwest of Encanate, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Encanate, Polk City, Huxley, Slater, Big Creek Lake, Silorville Lake, Maxwell, Colo, Cambridge, Elkhart, Collins, Allemon, Shelvell, Mingo, and Big Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 95 and 108. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Polk, and Story.